Alright, so for the next exercise, I'm going to be showing you how to do the S-curves. S-curves are super important. They are present in a lot of different shapes, especially organic shapes. You're going to need to know how to control your pencil to do those curvy shapes. So I start from the top and work my way to the bottom and then kind of just flick it off at the end, and you should practice the other way as well. Just keep doing these. You can give them a little sharp top if you want to. Those are really dynamic if you do that. Like a lot of superhero anatomy and stuff like that. I like to use these and then throw a little cast shadow inside of there, like for tricep muscle or like leg muscles, ones that like bulge out, and you want it to have kind of like a really dynamic, sharp effect. Like this shape is extremely important, and I use it all the time. So what I want you to do is practice doing some of these, fill up a whole page, and then what I want you to do is start with some really normal looking S's, like the ones that you would use for writing, and then slowly do sort of a gradient where you try to get more towards a straight line. And this is going to really push your ability to create that shape that you're looking for. Just do it over and over again. You see how it creates kind of like a rhythm? It's kind of a cool effect. So you can start to see the benefit of this sort of shape, and it's super important. Can't stress that enough. So I challenge you to stop the video, fill up a whole page with S-shaped curves, and I'll see you in the next one.